Hello everyone, this is Arpita. Welcome to my channel.
In this video, we are going to learn about transpose, reverse, column header, count rows features in Power Query. Please check the video description to download the files and there you will find this our GitHub links. Okay, let's go to the Power Query editor. In the Power Query editor, I already imported two queries. So if you want this file also, you can check the GitHub link. So for example, let's start with this transpose option. So this is my sample data where I have this column 1, column 2. So this type of values I have. But before transposing the data, if you just observe here, I don't have any proper column header. For example, here I have column 1, column 2, column 3. That means in the data set, it is considering the first row as the header of the table. Then how will you create one header for this table? Here we have in the transform tab, within that transform tab, here we have different options. Okay, so first is use first row as the header or use headers as first row. Okay, so here it is considering the first row as the header, but I want to use header as the first row. That means I want to create one header. So I will select this one, and here it is creating the column 1 value going down, and it is renaming as the column 1 as the header. But I can change this one. Okay, so let us select something, just renaming this header file. So I will just put it as a header. Okay, I'll just as a header table. So here you can explore that I have used this option. Now I want to transpose this record. How will you do that one? If you just remember, in Excel we have this transpose option. So just select this column, click on this transpose, like transpose this table, treating rows as columns and columns as rows. So both the options are available. So first I will select this, and it is automatically transposing the table. So that means for each value it is giving as a header the same name and the value. Now if you want to again convert it back, then how will you do that one? Then I will just select all and I'll just select transpose again. Then it is coming back to the normal option. So you can observe here the both the options we can do. We can transpose as a column to row and again rows back to column. So this is my transpose option. Let's go back to the reverse row. If you select the reverse row, what you will do, the like it will invert this table's row such as that the last row as the displays at the first. That means column 11 should be as the first position. Just click select this column, click on these reverse rows, and you can see that rows the last row is displayed as the first row. So in this way you can use this reverse rows option also. Okay, what else we can do? We can select these things and the count rows. That means we have 11 rows. So let me cross this one so that I can go back to again that normal value section. Okay, so I hope from this area you can find it out how we can use this use first header, this option, transpose option, reverse rows, and the count rows also. I have given you the sample data. You can explore this with whatever the features we already learned so far. So you can use this table and do your practice. Okay.
I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and provide your comment, and please share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Thanks for watching.